Alright, it's Towel Animal Invasion Day again.
Good morning. Guess where we are? We're in Cozumel again. I love Cozumel. We just had breakfast. We're going to get off the ship and we're going to go to the Mega store, the Mega Mall. I want to see what it's like, and I might buy some stuff.
No,
we'll let you know what it's like.
might need money. Alright, we'll let you know. We'll bring it to you, but you didn't have any doubts. Right, so this weekend, we're here at this pier. Last weekend, we're at that pier. So we're going to go over there. Very windy today. Abandoned ship, abandoned ship. Abandoned ship. The orders have been given. You think eggs are expensive at home? Pay that price for that many eggs. Just kidding. Those are pesos. So Terry wanted to go to the Mega store. It's here. It's close to downtown. And it's like a Walmart. With a super Walmart at that. Alright, this used to be Carlos and Charlie's. Senior Frogs was upstairs, but not much happening downtown. But I bet the Senior Frogs by the port will be packed. I'll show you that. Here we are at Ponchos Backyard, and look who we ran into. Or should I say they ran into us. We got
Carter and Jade.
And Jade, what's your favorite YouTube channel?
Party Cruising.
That's what I thought you said. Well, it's cool that you found us.
Thank you.
So you're gonna keep watching?
Yeah.
You're gonna watch yourself now.
Thank you.
You'll be on day 3. Day 3 of the Paradise.
Yeah.
We're still putting up the ones from Royal Caribbean too. All right. Well, thanks for doing that. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, thank you guys. Alright, this week, last week we were over there, as I told you. Not on that ship though. And this week, we are here. Because we love Ponchos Backyard. And we come here to see McGill. Here I am with McGill. You remember McGill? Again. I just wanted to ask you a question, McGill.
Yes.
What happened to your Cowboys? Big Dallas Cowboy fan. What happened?
I don't know, my friend.
I mean, they did beat the Bucks, right?
It's a big team, but I don't know what happened. The problem is here. But you tell me you want the shirt for Cowboys for the next year.
No, thank you. No, thank you. I don't have any grease I have to clean up with that shirt.
Come on, man.
All right, I'll tell you what. I'll bring you a Buccaneers shirt.
I think
Okay.
for history is the team number 1.
All right, next time I come, I'll bring you a Buccaneers shirt.
Okay.
Okay? You see? See how it turned right there?
Okay.
McGill?
You have to wear it.
All right, anyway, if you want to come here and you want to have good service, come see McGill
Ponchos.
at Ponchos Backyard. Alrighty? Even though he's a Dallas
See you,
Cowboys
everybody.
fan. Alrighty, man. Alright, Terry got a salad for lunch. That's all we're going to eat
Yeah.
because we like everything on the menu
Yes.
tonight. And I got a salad as well. Yummy, yummy. Alright, almost ready to leave. Valor still got doors open. They're not leaving anytime soon. We still got lines hooked up, so they're ready. Alright, it's not them because there's still a million people walking back to Empress.
So join your epic team as they take you on an exciting journey of fun games and savings up to 50%. You don't want to miss.
Pilot boat just picked up the pilot and they are out of here. Us, we're still waiting on 4 people. We're supposed to leave at 5 o'clock and it is now 5:25, but we're still waiting. They've dropped a couple of the lines. As you can see, everybody's still waiting for those 4 people. It's better, it was 14 we were waiting on. After a really lazy day, we're going to dinner.
We went to Cozumel.
Yeah, well, we're leaving now.
Yeah, we got
And we left 4 people behind.
we didn't. The ship did.
Well, we tell you, get back to the ship.
Get back there, baby.
So anyway, so they're staying in Cozumel.
Yep.
So anyway, we're going to Din Din. We'll bring that to you in just a
We're
minute.
hungry. We're so
I'm kind of hungry too. I haven't hardly eaten anything.
All right, let's go eat.
All right, bye.
Nice. Well, the guys gonna travel one by one, okay? Over here to over there. What's your name? Jack. Jack. How many guys we have here? Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Do you see?
Terry started off with French onion soup. I started off with French onion soup. I got nothing as a second appetizer. I got rice soup. Appetizer, steamed muffins. What you got, babe?
I got shrimp trio
Yeah, shrimp creole.
and the pork ribs,
Ribs.
and you got it too.
Oh, I got it. I told you, don't put no more shrimp in my plate. She's so bad. I got a banana split.
Yes, I did.
And I got a banana split.
Yes, you did.
And then we got a split.
There. Lisa, what is the next case you would like to open? 12. 12. Lock in. Case number 12. $75. It is on the right side, but it is a low number. $10. Let's go. Number 6. Number 6. Okay, you know what? Let's face the audience. Don't look at the case. And by their noise, we're gonna know what is in that case. All right, lock in. Case number 6. $40. $10. Oh, almost gave $200. There is the banker. He's like, oh no, yeah, drink that wine. That's what he does know. He just can't handle it. Yeah, show her that number what you just whispered in my ear. There we go, Lisa. He is offering you an outfit. You win yourself definitely $318. But stay there. Let's first of all see what's the other people on the prize board. What has been the next case that you would open? 20. She would have to open 20. Open case number 20. $50. All right, $50. Where's gonna happen? Let's go with me. We can all do the prices. So you're not, whatever happens, she win great money. Everybody give it up for Lisa. This is a very hard position where you're in. And sometimes you just have to cut it, and you did great. $318, you can buy a lot of nice things from that. So you would have cap number 5. So we're gonna lock in case number 10. Let's see, Lisa.
Where are we going, babe?
We're not going. We're already here. We're at the Punchos Coffee Shop.
We're always here. Uh-oh.
Turn out the lights.
Turn out the lights.
Party's over.
Party's starting.
Yeah.
We'll see you in a little bit. Hey, we are busy tonight. Walking back to the ship, the front of the ship. The back
lot
of the
of
ship,
stuff
back
today.
to the front of the
We're
ship.
doing everything on the ship.
Yep, all right, we went to the comedy. He's pretty good. And now we're going back to the Love and Marriage show. We'll see you in the closing video.
Yeah, hopefully it'll be funny.
She's going to go to bed and you know where I'm going. I haven't even been there but one time. Here we go.
All right, here we go.
All right.
Now get ready, buckle up, and hold on to it because you are going to be doing some laughing tonight. Now you know, and you told us 51 years, of wedded bliss, but give us a little insight of the secret to 51 years. You're going to want to talk into the mic because your friends up there in the cheap seats, they're going to definitely need to hear you.
Okay, we had a busy day in Cozumel. We had a busy night on the ship. We went to a lot of shows, ate a lot of food, and now I'm getting ready to go to bed as soon as I finish drinking my Diet Coke.
Hot chocolate, baby.
We had Diet Coke and I'm ready to go to bed. I think Pat's going to go to the casino. So
Only been in there one time.
I'm hoping he's getting lucky, but I got lucky
Me
today
too.
because I found
Me
a
too.
$100 bill on the ground.
She did. $120
I did.
out
So,
by the lobby here.
Yeah, so I've had a good day. But now I'm ready
$100
to
bill
go to
and a
bed.
$20 bill. Both thrown on the floor. I wish other people would throw
I
it
found
away.
it. I found it. But anyway, I'm going to bed, and Lovely's going to play in the casino.
That's true. All right. So anyway,
Good night.
tomorrow, C Day. We'll bring that to you. You know where we'll be. Pretty obvious. And we'll see you in the morning.
Good night.
Seas are kind of rough tonight. But anyway.
Good night.
So in the Paradise, since there's no mailboxes, that's what they do with your fun times. Slide them under the door. So you get your hard copy of the fun times. It'll be for tomorrow.